Hi, Simon here. We're at the Sydney Home Show with Harvey Norman. I just want to show you a few of the products that we've got on display. Hope you can come down and join us. We've got bathroom renovations. We've got some beautiful new products here. We've got heated towel ladders, big hit going around the world at the moment. Freestanding baths, breezy basins with talistone bench tops. We've got lighting of all different types that you could possibly imagine. So I just wanted to show you a few of the things that you might like to come and see with us while we're here at the Home Show. Come on down and have a look at some of the kitchens. We've also got double Qantas points on offer this weekend. Got some beautiful new centre bench tops from Cosentino. Gorgeous natural products with a 10-year warranty on them, something unseen before. Mirrored splashbacks. We've got a whole range of different accessories and internal fittings in the kitchen. Come and have a look at some of the other stuff that we've got. We've got all the boys from the Auburn Flooring Centre here. Got a great range of different types of flooring. They did all the flooring for us at the stand. We've got rugs, we've got carpets. They even provide in-home quotes, and also they can organise the installation for you. Over here with our friends from Italy at SMEG, we've got a fantastic display of some of the new products that they've got, including their whole new range of small appliances, kettles, toasters, mixers. We've also got the Fab fridges, which have been tremendously popular, including the new Victoria range, and also a product that was released in Milan recently last month. We've got the Portofino range from SMEG. Absolutely fantastic range of products. Come down and see the boys from SMEG and Harvey Norman. Take you through to bathrooms and tiles, because they've got a terrific range of different PC items that you might want to fit off in your bathroom, including some fantastic plank tiles. We've got spa baths, some new spa baths from Cardia. Whole range of accessories and tapware from Artisan. Coming through over in this area here, we've got some beautiful plank tiles from Allian. Shower screens, gorgeous. Just got to show you this one. Glides so effortlessly. Looks good. Architecturally designed. Beautiful looking product. And if we can just move our friends around from here. Kurama have put up a wonderful display of some of their new products. Baths, toilets, tapwares, mirrors. So if you're around, if you're renovating, you want to come and see the latest and greatest that Harvey Norman have got to offer, we'd love to see you down here at the Home Show.